welcome to my channel. Yes, with the bangs. At a little tan na tayo dahil mainit na din sa Netherlands, but we are not in the Netherlands. We are now in the Antwerp, Belgium. Bakit? Dahil walang pasok at magta-travel tayo kasama ang ating pinakagwapong jowa. Hi, jowa.
Hallo.
Oh, pak, let's go.
Is it met jullie?
Dito kami nag-park. Why we are parked here? Outside of Antwerp Centrum.
Because it's only €1.
€1
and
per
because there is no traffic.
Oh, alam nyo na.
Toch, schat?
€1 per duck. Napaka matalino to. Tsaka ang traffic, grabe, as in matraffic. Do I need to bring my long sleeve?
Ja, ik zou wel in ieder geval een longsleeve meenemen. Misschien je jas nog niet. Ik neem hem wel mee.
Maar I will bring my long sleeve. My jas is later.
Ja, you can handle cold better than me actually.
It's not so cold. It's not so heat. Yeah? Okay, let's go now! Yan! Diyan kami sasakay ng tram. May fits. Oh, wow. Ang ganda. Mamadali ang jowa. Oh. Are you in a hurry? Oh.
You're parked and...
Park and go.
Yeah. That's...
You are very smart for this decision. Actually, it's not raining. But it's traffic time. Jump park.
Oh, zijn we hier al?
We buy the 1-day pass.
Ja.
Sayang kasi €3 ang aming day. Ang aming sakay, din mahal din yung day. Let's go. Like I said, mas makakatipid. We will save much more if we go by 1-day pass. Diba? Ngayon, nasa tram na kami, Let's in the tram. Welcome to the Antwerp, Belgium. Bago na namang karanasan ni kami dito tayo sa Antwerp, Belgium. Diba? Merong ano yan, St. Edward the Sint-Truts. Ang ganda. Simbahan siya dahil. Oh, may simbahan siya dahil. Park pala ito dahil, park. Diba nga? Expo Norm. They have this is what I heard a while ago. The Kalembang bang. Welcome to Antwerp, Belgium. Oh wow, we're going up. We're going up. Ay, another tram. Wow. This is Antwerp. Welcome to Antwerp. Wow. Where's the market? Antwerp Day today. Oh yes. What you said a while ago? Ayan o, kite. You can go to the south. The south tram. Oh, they have a Yumbo, okay. Alam mo, kaya tayo pumunta dito para lang puntahan natin ang food truck ni RC. Yung sikat na vlogger na nagtitinda ng lumpia, Pilipina siya. Sana makita natin at makakain tayo sa kanyang food truck ni RC. Let's go! Taga-Antwerp siya. Nakikita ko sa TikTok. Puntahan muna natin ang ating food cart ni RC. Hanapin muna natin siya dito sa market. Baka nandito siya. Let's go! Yes! Malapit na tayo sa market. Sana nandun siya. Diba, Scott? I hope she is there. Going to left? Going to left. Let's go.
Like a food market. So
yeah, it's a food market. This is the market. The market. I hope nandito siya. Ayun, sa ulo niya. Charot. Sama ni Kaweme. Ganda ng clothes ng market, oh. Nice. Pakten, relax. Kaiken.
Okay.
Yes. Market day. So well mentioned. Jowa. I hope it's here in this market. I don't know where is it, that market. I really hope here we can see her. Yeah, this food ni RC. This one. Uy, nakita na natin. Lumpia, ito yung kanyang menu. Ayan, oh, Andonekla nandito sa September 13 at saka sa Bayanihan sa May 24. Si Madam. Hi, Madam! Si Madam Marcy, si Miss TikTok.
Kawakas, ano name mo, be?
Cassandra.
Cassandra. Ng Laguna.
Yes.
Laguna.
San Pablo po. Hi! Bumili ako ng dim sum. Try natin yung dim sum ni RC Food Vlogs. Food Vlogs. Yan. Ayun o, sa baba. Sarap. Tikman natin. Let's try her dim sum.
Can I try the dim sum?
Sarap. Oh, yeah. Sarap na?
Good.
So mild dim sum. Tip. We try later the lumpia. Ang lumpia ni Madam, siksik sa laman, oh. Diba? Oh, talagang titignan natin. Kaso mainit. Mainit ang lumpia. Tikman natin ang lumpia ni Madam. Ang harap.
Very heet. Lekker?
Hey, try yours. One bite. Heavy, yeah? Not bad to the price. 2 euro and one pieces. And more veggies.
Lekkere saus.
Sarap. Ang sarap ng sauce. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Oh, ang laman, oh. Diba? Hindi tinipid. Ang sauce masarap. You like the sauce? Sarap.
Masarap.
Masarap?
Yeah.
Grabe yung pila agad, oh. Diba? Pinipilaan si Miss RC. Pinipilahan. Nakaka-proud kasi may nagtitinda dito sa Antwerp. Sumasabay siya sa mga dito, oh. Diba? Nasa food truck siya. Food truck ni RC. Puntahan niyo dito sa market ng Antwerp, Belgium. Oh, diba? Dami niyang kasabayan, dahil. Kaya, pack na pack. Kay Ma'am RC. Shout out! Shout out! Dito tayo sa burger. Pinagmamalaki ng jowa. Sa burger. Wow, they have also rackwurst.
No.
Yeah.
Zo'n hot dog stick. Oh ja. Sorry.
Yung lalagyan nila ng sauce, ayun o, ang saya. What burger? Burger. This the burger. Meron sa kasama onion. Shut up. Why this burger is special to you here in
I remember
Antwerp?
last time when I arrived here,
Mm.
I just walk here between the market stalls with clothes, and then I smell something really good.
Oh,
I think, oh,
that's a burger.
I'm so hungry.
And not bad the
suddenly.
price, huh? 450.
450 cents.
450. only the curry sauce. What's this burger?
I don't know.
Did you ask a keep or ron or beef? And with onion.
What's your opinion when you
Lekker?
How much?
Yan eh, yan.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Harap. Not bad the bread.
Not super fresh. Mega
Hindi siya
fresh.
matigas. Ayaw siya matigas. Hindi siya matigas.
Tigas?
Doon lang. Doon. Bungad ng market, makikita mo siya. Sa Antwerp. Masarap.
Yeah.
Try nyo mga kamimay kung nandito kayo sa Antwerp. This is according to my jowa. Okay? Bye-bye. We come here in Antwerp to food trip. Food trip in Antwerp. Kain-kain siya. Yun, inubos na niya. Hindi na nagbigay. Tinikman ko lang mga kamimay. Hindi na ako binigyan. Gutom daw siya. Nice! Welcome back to the Belgium. Yeah, Belgium, Antwerp. Nice with the fountain. Is the eagle? Eagle with the fish? Oh. Daming tapi. Oh, tapi chulo. Ang daming tao. So busy in Antwerp, Belgium. Wow. Busy pa more. Welcome to the Antwerp. Another place.
Dan ga je niet tram stappen.
Diba? Soul Club Korean. Ada sa KBC. Dito tayo. Diyan tayo galing sa baba, mga kami. At kami ay nag-CR. 1 euro ang bayad sa CR dito, ha? 1 euro. Ang ginagawa namin, magkasabay kami. And then, suddenly, someone is there waiting. You know, the one who cleaning the toilet.
Even when I know it, I just tried to pass.
One by one. In person. Only one person in 1K. 1 euro din yung day. Ang isang ihi. Tumai ka na day. Huwag ka na lang umihi. Charot. Oh, welcome to the Antwerp. Oh, Antwerpen. Scott, we can go in shop cathedral. Yeah, okay. Cathedral. Let's go inside. Cathedral. Let's go! Wow, this is nice also. Ang daming bibili tayo. Whoops! Meat factory. Oh! Nice one. Let's go there. This is the Antwerp. The Antwerpen, Belgium. This is it, Panzit. This is it. Nook, the Belgian chocolate is here. Belgian chocolate, and then the grabe, ang ganda ng ano, Kirk. Oh, let's go. Where we gonna go? To go now.
So we're gonna ride it.
Where? In the tram? Or the bus? Yes, use our duck pass. Sayang. I hear Scott. I think this is where we sitting last time. Yeah? Or the yeah, this street, yeah? I remember. I remember this street. We drink here. And I think here or other side. Ah, shush, that's a sushi. Ah, there. Sushi bar.
Sushi bar.
Let's go. No, this is a sushi bar. I think there, the other side there. Yes, dito na tayo sa tram. Yeah, Hill Terrace. Okay, left. One more stop. Carrefour Express. Experiencing the new adventure in Antwerp. Wow. Oh, Gondorn. Where we go? Yeah, they saw. Oh, here. Here have a sun. Yeah? This can have a sun. Winter. Day. Then we can open later on. Off. Under can o Pantene. Milky Welt. So we sit here, Scott. We sit here
And
for
we're
drinking. We are waiting for our table, but until now they are not coming. Hi, Papi. Ang daming Papi, oh. Papi. Sobra yung ubo ko, day. 1
Oh, mine used to.
Pinag-water.
Weet je wat? Ja. Old
Grabe, natanggal to lang pilik matapos kakaubo. You should put this some water in the faucet. Kinok me for tea. Acid also for me a tea. Yes, and then we will go to IKEA. Then after this, we will go to the bus. Duck! Sayang naman ang aming duck card. Di ba? Sayang ang ating duck card. 1 day card. Where's pause. Which bus? Ay! Antwerpen South, Antwerpen. You can frak for meneer. Frak for meneer. Hindi pa doon ang aming stop, maglalakad pa kami. Nagkamali ang jowa. Let's go walk. Walk pa more. Diba? Sayang diba ang aming cart? Pinag-walk naman tayo ng jowa. Charot. Diyan. Let's go! Let's wait a bus. Here. Number 50. Dapat doon kami bababa. Doon kami sa unang bumaba. Doon sa maraming bus kanina. May next station pa pala. Ganun talaga. Pag first time nakakamali. Kahit nga hindi first time nakakamali. Hindi kami professional. Hindi kami professional. Isa lang kami traveler. Ang aking jowa. Natingin naman sa mga. Number 50. How many minutes? Zes en 30 minuten naar IKEA. Papuntang IKEA. 30 minutes more, 30 minutes. Only the bus. From here, 30 minutes.
Nee, minder.
Ah,
Altijd zo ver.
like 20 minutes. Oh,
Let's say that.
okay. Doon na rin tayo mag-dinner, mga kamiming. So, we're still waiting 5 minutes for the bus. Let's go. The bus. Ito na ang bus. 50. Ayun yung bus namin. Nakaalis na. The question is where we go. The IKEA is there. So we need to walk over and over and over. Mag-walk tayo. Hanapin natin ang zebra path, crossline or underpass. Wala. Underpass. Lagot. Grabe yung nilakad namin from here to here. From there to here. Wala kasing ano. Ganito. Walkway. Nakalimutan ko ng tawag. Crossline. Whatever. Diyos ko. Ayun pa, IKEA oh. Babalik kami doon. Boom, 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 boom. Charong boom, boom. Oh, it's so donker daar, Scott.
Ja, maar daar niet.
Ja.
Allemaal blauwe lucht.
Oh yes, this is Blau and this is Donker. Different. Let's go back over there. Naglalakad na kami pabalik, mga kamimay. Grabe yung hangin, nasa mukha ko na. Yan. Dito yan sa IKEA. Pupunta kami sa IKEA. Ayun ang IKEA. Let's go. Industrial Park today. Sovel business, I think, here. Yeah, ang hangin. Uy, mahangin. Tapos ito ay Snellweg. Let's go. Uy, nandito na tayo sa IKEA. Yeah. IKEA. Ayan na, IKEA. Antwerp IKEA. Pagod. Super walk. So, what can you say? We are here now. Huh?
Very IKEA and also a little different.
Super distant, no? What? A little bit distance. What? Oh, shit.
Far away. Only 1 hour from the city.
Yeah. Kain muna tayo. Dessert. Tiramisu? Dessert tiramisu at
Oh, they have salad for it, 3.5.
let's go. You want this tiramisu?
Wow. It's okay. We have, I know we have nice things.
It is a €1 only. What's that? Swedish
Oh, wacht, dat is wel
chocolate.
leuk.
Pak 1.
Eentje?
Ja, we alleen delen. This is my food for today. Not so healthy. Yung kanya, ako fish and chips. Not by the price. IKEA, ang daming tao dayo. Palabas na kami. Tapos na kami. Nakabili na. Bumili na ako nung panlagay ko dun sa aking mga make-up. Blah, 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 blah. Di gulong siya. Papakita ko sa inyo pag na-assemble na namin sa bahay ng jowa. Grabe. Doon tayo pupunta. Babalik tayo sa bus station. Mga kamimay. Balik tayo sa bus station. Ang bata. Dami batang umiiyak. Grabe. Nag-iyakan na lang sila. Nag-iyakan. Uy, ang sarap ng hangin. Suwar? Heavy? Kayang-kaya mo yan. Uy. Diyos ko.
I usually get tired.
Yeah? You get tired? To handle that?
Switch from right to left, left to right.
Kaya mo yan.
Continue for miles.
You can do it. Kaya let's go to the bus
We will do
station.
it.
Dito na sa bus station para tayo ay diretso na tayo dun sa ating nagpark kanina. At umuwi na tayo. Kumaan lang kami dito. Binili lang namin yan. Sayang kasi ang binili namin duck pass. Hindi kami makapag-park kasi sa loob ng sentrum kanina dahil sobrang traffic at punong-puno ang parking area. Kaya hindi na namin minabuti na namin mag-park doon. And then, nagbayad siya ng 18 euro. 9 euro para sa duck pass. Kaya kami nakaabot hanggang dito sa IKEA. Ganon. Diba? Parang di masayang. Let's go! Napagod ako. Biglang lamig. Is there no? Yan ang tram. Yan ang tram namin. Ang lamig. Biglang lamig. Nakapagod ako, day. Yan na yung tram. Yeah. Okay, oh. Nice. Nice houses. There's a park.
Picnic.
Yeah, nice Antwerp.
Chilling in the park.
Heel mooi. Ang ganda. Ang ganda sa buhok, sa ulo. Ayun, tingnan sa ulo. Ang ganda. Ayun. Kita niyo mga kamime, ang galing. Ayun. Ayan. Ang kulit. Uy, ang ganda. Cake, cake, cake. Cake.
Super sightseeing. Thank you.
Nandito na kami sa parking, mga kamime. Napaka-affordable ng parking, 1 euro lang in 1 day. Medyo malayo lang naman to sa ano, sa center. Pwede kang, yung tram na sinakyan namin, pwede kang magdiretso na sa center, 3 euro lang. Pero ang ginawa namin, nag-day pass kami ng pag isang day pass, 9 euro yung babayaran mo pa. Abi yun, pumunta na rin kami ng IKEA. Sayang naman yung binayad namin. Kahit malapit ka lang, 3 euro ang isang pamasahe sa isang sakay, di ba? Eh nakailang sakay kami. I think 4, 5, 6 at saka yung pabalik pa. Ang haba nun, di ba? Naka-connect pa kami. Sabi ng jowa, pag nagpa-connect ka daw, wala daw yung bayad. Kahit na, hindi mo din alam. Ano, taga dito ka? Charot. Diba? O, nandito na kami.
The magic.
Pero maganda talaga. 1 euro lang. Diba, Scott? Very affordable, right? The parking? Very affordable. Kung lalo na pag traffic sa loob ng center, dito na. Sabihin ko, pag pina-IP pala, pag sila pumunta dito. Park and go. Tapos train lang. Ganon. Ito na po yung nabili namin sa IKEA, Belgium. Ina-assemble na ng aking gwapong-gwapong jowa, mga kamime. Ayan na po siya. At ito po yung loob. At pag natapos po siya, ay ipapakita ko sa inyo. Thank you, jowa, for assembling my things. Perfect.
Ja, deze voorzien.
This you're preparing for your new way.
Yeah, we look a long time for this.
Yeah. Thank you.
And did you tell a story why we go Belgium?
Why?
Because we love to go to Antwerp.
Yeah.
And then of course we're there. And a lot of things are cheaper in Belgium, like gasolina or this one.
Yeah, in IKEA. And
25% cheaper na lang.
yeah, that's why, and also I tell it to them that's why we've been to, what's it called? 1 day past.
Yeah.
So it's good. Even we walk, at least we have experience.
Ja, even kijken, dan moet ik daar zijn.
And not only in the centrum of the Belgium. At least we go out also outside the Belgium. Antwerp, yeah?
Yeah.
And we will meet one of the vlogger.
Yeah.
Is food truck ni RC. Thank you. Ito na, oh. Meron na akong salon. Actually, this is for the kitchen also, yeah?
Yeah.
And also for the salon. Meron na akong salon sa bahay. Alam niyo kung bakit? Gawa nung aking mga abubot. Ipaglalalagay ko diyan. At least may gulong. Pwede siya. Ay, Scott. It's not okay here. Because it's kurot. Binayden. Lang. Over the tafel. Over the tafel. It's okay. I can put it there over.
Yeah, zelfs we need to get rid of the box there.